Welcome. Today we are going to see about the chapter 5 functions and array. In this chapter we are going to see the function concepts in PHP, then types of function and basic array concept and types of arrays. Now we see PHP is a server-side scripting language for functioning, and then array concept are very important to solve the many complex problem in real world. A function is type of subroutine or procedure in a program. A function will be executed by call to the function, and the function return any data type values or null values to called function in the part of respective program. It will be return the value whatever calculated in the subprogram. It sent back to the main program. PHP function is a piece of code that can be reused many times. It can be input as argument list and return value. There are thousands of built-in functions in PHP. Main thing we are using the functions, code reusability, less code, easy to understand. PHP functions are defined only once and can be invoked many times, like in other programming languages. Less code, it saves a lot of code because you don't need to write the logic many times. By the use of function, you can write the logic only once and reuse it. Easy to understand. PHP functions separate the programming logic, and so it is easier to understand the flow of application because every logic is divided in the form of function. The function can be divided into three types as follows: user defined function, predefined function, or system or built-in function. Third one is parameterized function. Now we see the user defined function. The user defined function in PHP gives a privilege to user to write own specific operation inside of existing program module. The program module should be already done in the PHP structure. Two important steps the programmer has to create for user defined functions. First one is function declaration. A user defined function declaration begins with the keyword function. User can write any custom logic inside the function block. Now we can see the syntax. It begins with the function and followed by function name with parentheses. Then the block of custom logic code to be executed. PHP function arguments can pass the information in PHP function through arguments which is separated by comma. PHP supports call by value by default, call by value or call by reference, call by default argument values, call by variable length argument list. These are all support type of functions in PHP. Now we are going to see about the function calling method. A function calling declaration part will be executed by the call to the function. Programmer has to create function calling part inside the respective program. The syntax, it should be comes function name with parentheses. In this example you can say that the function say hello with the dollar symbol of name, then echo hello with the dollar symbol of the name. Next continues by the br is indicated to the break line. That means it gives the new line in the programming output screen. Next you can see the say hello Sonu, hello Vimal, then say hello John. These are the output you can see in the output screen with next line with the new line indications. Then parameterized function. Required information can be shared between function declaration and function calling part inside the program. Then the parameter also calls as argument. It is like variables. The argument are mentioned after the function name and inside the parentheses. There is no limit for sending arguments. Just separate them with comma notation. The following example has a function with one argument. The argument name is student name, the school name. The function here we declared with the school name. The echo school name in Tamil Nadu. Next, the followed by the school name, whatever we are having with the branch name. You can see the different school name with their own branch respective located. Next is array. Array is a concept that stores many or more than one values of same data type in a single array variable. There are three types of array concept in PHP: indexed array, associative array, and multi-dimensional array. The array syntax: the array variable is assigning operator, then the array name with parentheses value 1, value 2 and value 3. It will be type of value, position will be declared. Indexed array: array with numeric index for the available values in array variable which contain key. Value pair as users and developer can take values using key. Associative array: associative array or key values pair data structure. Instead of having storing data in a linear array, with associative array you can store your data in a collection and assign it a unique key which you may use for referencing your data. The example you can give the mark of array student 1 having the mark 35, the second student having the mark of 17, the third student having the value of 43. Echo, it is used to print the statement. Now we are seeing the student 1 mark is mark of student 1 is eligible for qualification because he scored minimum mark of 35. The second student is score only 17. Here we didn't mention any mark value. We are just reference the value by the student 1 or student 2. This is called as a associative array. You can see the assigning value for student 1 is 35, then the student 2 is mark of 17. Multi-dimensional array. A multi-dimensional array is array containing one or more arrays. Then PHP understand multi-dimensional array that are 2 or 3 or 4, 5 level deep. However, arrays more than 3 levels deep are hard to manage for the most people. Here you can see the multi-dimensional array. Here we can separate the value as a row wise, then column wise. The values you can see in this example. Indian is a value of student 0, 0. The 0 is the initial value in the array. Next we are seeing the mark value for the English subject. Here it comes in the column of student mark in 0, 1. That indicates by the position of the row and column mentioned whatever we given at here. Thank you for watching this video.